Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on dial pad tone. Guys, this dial pad tone guys, you want to off in your Vivo phone. So you can off it in this video guys. I will show you how to off dial pad tone. So guys, how can you on in this video guys? You are going to watch. So guys, first of all, open your phone setting to on dial pad tone. Then guys, click on sound setting. Then guys, you can see dial pad tone. So you want to on, so you can on from here, and guys now you can see. So you can see that dial pad tone is on in our Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to on dial pad tone in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye.